For the construction of NAND gate, firstly NAND gate was built. Power supply was placed on breadboard, then transistor was placed and connected to a negative charge. Push button was also placed and connected to positive charge, since it's an input and current flows from positive to negative. Also it was connected to a 2 ohms resistor, which was connected to middle leg of transistor as well. Another leg was connected to a 330 ohms resistor, which in turn was connected to LED light, and LED light was connected to negative charge as it is an output. After checking, light bulb was lighting if button was not pushed and vice versa. Then Leyla constructed the AND gate. She put a power supply battery on a solderless breadboard. LED light was placed as an output and also connected through a wire to a negative charge on the right side of the breadboard for the flow of the current. It was also connected through another wire to a 330 ohms resistor connected to a positive charge. Then one of the transistors was placed on breadboard. It was connected to 2 ohms and 330 ohms resistor as well as negative charge of breadboard. Then 2 more transistors were placed that were interconnected through a wire, which ensured current flow from one transistor to another. This indicated serial connection, which composes the AND gate. These transistors were connected to their 2 ohms resistors that were later connected to push buttons. One of the transistors was also connected through a wire to one more 2 ohms resistor. Another transistor was also connected to negative charge through a wire. Lastly, push buttons were connected to last 2 resistors and then connected to positive charge as an input. Only when both buttons were pushed, LED was lighting, since serial connection of transistors could transmit electric current only if it comes from both inputs. In order to connect these two gates into a NAND gate, we firstly remove power supply and the button from a NOT gate circuit, since we'll have input only on one breadboard. We should make the output of a NAND gate circuit an input for a NOT gate circuit. To ensure that, a wire which connects LED of a NAND gate to negative charge of breadboard is now connected to a circuit of NOT gate, to the place where button was located before. Now it's a new input for this circuit. One additional wire is required to connect two breadboard's positive charges. While checking, we may observe that LED is not lighting while both buttons are pressed, which is opposite of a NAND gate.